Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to look at the principles that the court uses to determine the presence of bias. So there are three major principles that courts use to determine the presence of bias. The first one is the real likelihood of bias. Second, we have the real danger test, and then third, we have actual bias. So let us start with the real likelihood of bias. So the real likelihood of bias refers to circumstances in which the court will conclude that there was real likelihood of bias. So for example, where the decision maker has an interest in the matter under consideration. Interests can be of two types. One is known as pecuniary, which refers to financial considerations. The other one is adverse. Adverse simply means an interest, claim, or right that is against another's interest. So where the decision maker has these types of interests in the matter under consideration, then there is a real likelihood of bias. The second type of principle that is used to test for bias is known as the real danger test. So in this test, the consideration will be whether there is real danger that a public official or body participating in a decision will be influenced by a personal interest in the outcome of the case. So in this test, there are two questions that are really important. Number one, we have to look at how significant is the interest or is for this public body or official. Secondly, we look at how closely or remotely related to the issue is. So we look at that interest, and then this interest that we are looking for at the case on the case at hand or on the decision at hand, we have to look at how related they are in ways that will be able to show that if whether or not this public official stands to get something if the case goes in a certain way. So thirdly, we are going to look at actual bias. So in these cases, bias actually occurs. So if after careful analysis and looking at a case, the court finds that decisions were made or actions done in bias, then what will happen is that those decisions will be invalidated by the High Court. This is the place whereby actually judicial review takes place. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe.